Click on the link below to get price. The DS9664NIM8 4K 64-channel Enterprise NVR network video recorder is a robust solution that stands out for its impressive capabilities in video surveillance management. Designed for large-scale installations, this NVR supports up to 64 channels and features high-resolution recording of up to 32 MP, which is a significant advantage for users who require crystal-clear image quality. One of the most notable aspects of the DS9664NIM8 is its user-friendly interface. The setup process is relatively straightforward, even for those who may not be tech-savvy. The comprehensive web interface allows for easy access to live feeds, recorded footage, and configuration settings. This NVR supports various camera brands and models, enhancing its versatility and making it an excellent choice for existing systems that may not be uniform. The video playback function is remarkably smooth, allowing users to quickly navigate through recordings. The NVR features advanced search capabilities, which save time during investigations. Users can filter by motion events, specific dates, or camera channels, making it efficient to locate crucial footage. The 4K recording capability ensures that every detail is captured, proving invaluable in situations where identification is critical. Storage is another strong suit of the DS9664NIM8. With support for up to 16 HDDs, you can configure the NVR to meet your storage needs, whether for continuous recording or motion-triggered events. The RAID support adds an extra layer of data security, which is vital for enterprise-level deployments. In terms of connectivity, this NVR shines with its multiple network interfaces, offering redundancy and improved bandwidth management. The availability of POE ports simplifies installation and reduces the need for additional power supplies, streamlining the whole setup. Overall, the DS9664NIM8 4K 64-channel Enterprise NVR is a powerful, flexible, and efficient solution for organizations seeking to enhance their video surveillance systems. Its combination of high-quality recording, user-friendly features, and extensive storage options makes it a top contender in the market.